How to install hard drive? Make sure to turn off the power before changing the hard drive. After replacing the hardware, format it first, or it won't record properly. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the sides and back. Then, take off the recorder cover. Unplug the hard drive's power and data cables. Then connect them to the new hard drive. Align the hard drive with the screw holes and secure it with a screwdriver. Close the cover and tighten the screws to finish the hard drive installation.